Sorry. Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you a couple things I made while I'm looking up a cable blanket to make for my kid. The first thing was from Bag O' Day, no rhyme or reason beanie. I did add length to it here, and then I added the ribbing here because I like the ribbing and I like my ears covered. So that is hers, and it's just Red Heart Super Saver yarn, blue. I had bought it for a project and ended up not using it for that project. So I made that, and it came in handy because it got cold here. And then I finished using up all my pink hobbii yarn from the megaball. And this is what I made. This is a Lost Souls scarf that I made. And there is 10 of them on here. And they fold up rather nicely, actually. But I've got 10 of them on here. I was going to make 11, but it would have stopped right here. It was this much short of an 11th block. And so it's made with 10, which is, it's pretty long. It's really nice. I'm hoping it gives off Wednesday vibes, pink for Enid and, Lost Souls type thing for Wednesday. My kid likes the show Wednesday. So I'm hoping that works for her. So Lost Souls. And you could just take one of these and make it a pot holder. I would have to get cotton yarn for that because I don't have any cotton yarn. I only have acrylic yarn. So I'd have to get that. But, folds up rather nicely. Used up all my pink hobbii yarn. And this goes to the kid that has all the rest of the pink stuff from the pink hobbii yarn. So that is my Lost Souls scarf. I might post it on the hobby thing too. Now the next thing I had to go to Hobby Lobby today, and I had to get powdered charcoal for my daughter's art. They're doing something in art and she needed powdered charcoal. And I saw these. They're dice. And I thought, you know what? We could make some earrings for my kid with that. And then I thought, well, if she doesn't like them, I can turn these into stitch markers. Now, I did find some other stuff at Hobby Lobby today for stitch markers. And I found two of these. They're little aliens and alien chips. I found two of those. So I got two of those for stitch markers. But then I got gummy bears because they're just so cute. So I got gummy bears. I got two different ones. And I have the plastic stitch markers that I keep breaking with my wall hangings. So I decided to get more. Now on Amazon, I found these little gingerbread men. I don't know how well they're going to show up here. But there's white, there's black, there's brown, little gingerbread men in here. So I got that because I like gingerbread men. I just don't like gingerbread cookies. Go figure. I also found all these little shamrocks. I looked up charms on Amazon and that's what I found. And then I also got pumpkins because I like pumpkins a lot. And then one of the other things I got is these Christmas ones. There's a snowflake, Christmas tree. There's also, there's bells, there's angels, and they're very, very, very colorful. So I'm going to use those for stitch markers as well. And so I'm going to have a lot of stitch markers. But hopefully this will be enough and they won't break. So I'm actually hoping that works out rather well. And I don't know. I haven't actually opened these yet. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. Here's the bell. And then we have the tree, the snowflake. Hold on. I obviously don't know where my camera's at. So we got those ones. Where's the angel? Oh, it only looked like an angel. It's actually a bell, but from the back it looks like an angel. Okay. Well, color me surprised. I am kind of a dork, I guess. And then, yeah, all the pumpkins. I'm going to end up dropping all these. So then you got the red one, which actually looks like a bell pepper, yellow, brown, and orange. So that's those ones. And then there's obviously the shamrocks are all different colors, and so are the gingerbread men. So that's what I'm going to be working on. And then hopefully I'm going to be starting, they keep falling. Hopefully I'm going to be starting the cable blanket soon. And if it's not going to be a cable blanket, I'm going to have to find a different pattern for it. But like I said, I have 5 different colors of yarn to use for it. All different shades of purple. And I only have 2 megaballs of 3 of the colors. So that's going to make it a little bit difficult because I don't have one color of yarn for a whole blanket. So I'm trying to figure that one out. I was thinking doing the Irish Lullaby. And then I found this other one that has hearts in it. It looks really nice. So I might see which of those I can do. But I'm making it for a twin size bed. So it's going to be like 70 inches by 90 inches is what I'm looking at. And I'm hoping to get started on it really soon. If I do, I will let you see that progress. But until next time, you have a good one.